everyone, welcome to our lesson 10 class 1 of African drum with singing. Today I'm going to teach you a song called He Lives in You. He Lives in You reinforces the idea of the cycle of life, where life and death are interconnected and where the spirit of those who have passed continue to influence the living. And the voice with the fear of a child. Oh mamela, oh iyo. Ubuka sibakoko, wenu tanesize sonke. Hela, hey mamela, hela, hey mamela, hela, hey mamela, hela. He lives in you, hela, hey mamela. Hela, he lives in me. He watches over everything we see. Into the water, into the truth. In your reflection, he lives in you. In this class, we are going to learn the drum beats that we are going to use on our song. Our beats are going to be like this: bass, bass, tone, 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 tone. So now we are going to try them on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try them again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our African drum with singing. If you are interested in learning more with us, you can hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.